what to fix before selling your house. Well, before you go picking up that hammer, here are 5 renovations that rarely give you a big return on your investment. So the first is plumbing and HVAC. There's really no need to upgrade to PEX because if the plumbing is functioning and working, buyers really aren't going to care that much about it. As far as the HVAC unit, if it's working and been regularly serviced, same thing. There's no need to upgrade and spend all of that money on a new HVAC unit when there's just not a need for it. The second item is bathrooms. So according to Bankrate, sellers actually usually only make about half of what they spend on bathroom renovations. Instead, try giving the bathrooms a really good deep clean, only fix what actually needs to be fixed. Recaulking is always a good idea, and install a fresh new shower curtain in the bathrooms. The third is new windows, carpets, and flooring. So new windows are really not needed unless the seals have failed or they're single pane windows. As far as carpets, buyers usually will replace those on their own anyway, and flooring can be really expensive. Try giving it a good cleaning and polishing. That usually does the trick instead of spending a whole lot of money on new flooring. Okay, number 4 is knocking down walls. More bedrooms in a home is actually more valuable and better for resale than a big sprawling living room or a really big master bedroom. Keep those extra bedrooms if you can. The 5th thing is replacing a bathtub with a gorgeous walk-in shower. I know it's tempting to do this, but a lot of buyers, especially if they have young children, actually prefer to have a bathtub. So think about that before you go installing one of those beautiful walk-in showers. You might not get your money back on that investment. So instead of doing a lot of these bigger renovations, try some simpler things that will give you a better return. Maybe invest in fresh paint in the home, professional photos, a really nice mowed and manicured lawn, and a sparkly clean interior. If all this sounds like a little bit too much work for you, we buy properties in your area for cash as is, and we can close in 2 weeks. Give us a call. Our number is in the title, the comments, and the description of this video. Good luck.